We're in Buttermere and we are attempting Red Pike Mountain. It beat us last time. Let's see if it can beat us this time. Got Melbreck there, climb that one, and Crummock Water. I'm not kidding.
No.
We're not even a third up and it's been a hell of a path.
Scale 4 aren't we?
Yeah, we're going Scale Force way, which I now regret. Should have just gone straight up nose. And we've got to get up there yet. Finally found a path that were decent. Red brick all the way up, good path actually. And this is what is it, Pete? Scale Force. Stunning. Yep, very good. And we're going to continue to climb. Beautiful. I've had to sit down because I'm scared of heights.
Looks like Blencathra in distance.
Does look like Blencathra. Got Crummock Water down there. Oh, we haven't done yet. We've still got a bit to go, but the scenery is absolutely stunning. I'll just point out Red Pike, so we've still got to get on top of there. This last leg, he's there, look, and it's there. Yeah, 700 something metres high. It's not been the easiest one. This is mainly what it's been like going up. So I'm using poles because it helps. Here we go. Red Pike. Oh, the top of it. Couldn't have got up without my poles. Good shoes. Oh, wow. The views.